Okay, now a function. I can directly write the code here. Okay, and this should trigger every 1 second. So here I write the code. Here, where time now I'll say equal to new date. Okay, now here new date, right? So here document dot get element by ID. So the ID is timer dot inner HTML equal to time underscore now underscore now dot. If you can remember, there's a function called get hours which is used to get hours. Okay, plus is a concatenation, and I want a separator for the date, plus time now dot get minutes. Okay, get minutes in another function which is used to get minutes, plus again a concatenation operator, and I want a separator too, plus time now dot get seconds is another function. Now let's see, this is pretty simple, and let's see what happens over there. So I'm refreshing here. You see, this is my current time in my system, which is 10:39:31 seconds. So it keeps on running. So let's just do a little modification here. So this div right here, right? So what I do is I'll apply a style to body. I'll say margin 0 pixel auto. So let's see, where does this get? It does not work here because width 100%, and I would like to decrease this to let this be 9%. I can do that with Firebug. Firebug is really useful in this case. So here is a style, so I can decrease this. Okay, if this is 6%, this looks fine. So 6%. Alright, let's see. Okay, and for body, okay, body is this, and this is this, and they should, let's say, important. I don't think so. Right. In the middle, 20% looks fine. And coming to the timer, okay, this should be, okay, this should be 36%, and the body should be 17%. So this is 36%, and this is, how much was that? Body was somewhere around 17%, so I'll give 20%, and let this be 35%. And let's see now. Right, this is good. Okay, so this is set interval. Okay, if I want to stop this, let's say, okay, if I really want to stop this, then that function is, again, set interval returns an integer, set interval, a function, okay, then some code, alright, and this is time in milliseconds. Alright, time in milliseconds. So this returns a variable, or sorry, a value, and I can say clear interval. Okay, that is clear timeout, and this is clear interval. It's pretty simple, straightforward. So this will clear the interval, whatever now the interval wherein the function should be called. Right? Any questions here? Any questions? It's pretty straightforward code. I used some styling over there, and then I did nothing. Just I'm calling get element by ID. I'll remove this time appears here. It's kind of weird over there. I'll just put some zeros there instead. So let's see. I refresh all zeros. It converts to time 23, 43, 36. So this is the local time, which is if you I mean, I'll just show you guys a real-time example. You see this time running on your classes, which is time remaining is 1611. It's used using set interval. So it's pure JavaScript. It's not coming from the server. It's coming from the local system. But they said the end time using PHP, or this is .NET, and that's how they manipulate. For instance, I'll tell you. Let's do this. I can't really do this now because there is no PHP. All I can do is, let's say end time equal to, let's say I'll take minutes, so 50. Okay, let's say 50. So now this function gets repeated. So now what I do is, if time now dot get hours, okay, is double equal to end time. Okay, then clear, stop the time there, clear interval, whatever the result this is fetching out. This might be fetching out, let's say result. So I'll use only 40, let's say 47. Alright, clear interval of result. Let's see, this should stop at 1047. Okay, let's see. It's running, it's going good. 31, 33. Oh, we have to wait for 1.5 seconds. So it should ideally stop at 22:47. So that's how they set the time. 45, 46. Let's see. So yeah, this is the thing.